Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you take olive oil in the evening, especially after the age of 60? Many people think of olive oil only as something to add to salads or cook with, but in many traditional diets, especially around the Mediterranean, olive oil has been used for generations as a gentle evening ritual, not as a magic cure, not as a miracle potion, but as a simple natural habit that may support digestion, the heart, the brain, the joints, and even the quality of sleep when used wisely. After 60, the body changes in quiet ways. Digestion may become slower, the intestines may become less regular, the joints may feel stiffer in the morning, cholesterol, blood pressure, inflammation, and blood sugar may need more attention. The body no longer reacts to food exactly the same way it did at 30 or 40. That is why small evening habits can sometimes make a real difference over time. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, a type of fat often associated with heart health. It also contains natural antioxidants called polyphenols, which help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress. After 60, oxidative stress becomes more important because it is linked to aging, inflammation, and the gradual weakening of many organs. Taking a small amount of olive oil in the evening may help provide the body with these protective compounds before the long fasting period of the night. One of the first effects many people notice is better digestion. As we age, the digestive system can become slower and constipation becomes more common. A small spoon of extra virgin olive oil in the evening may help lubricate the digestive tract and support smoother bowel movements the next morning. It may also stimulate bile flow, which helps the body break down fats more efficiently. This does not mean olive oil should replace water, fiber, fruits, vegetables, or medical treatment, but it can become part of a gentle routine for people who often feel heavy or sluggish after dinner. Another important effect is on the heart. After 60, protecting the heart becomes a priority. Olive oil may help support healthy cholesterol levels when it replaces unhealthy fats such as butter, margarine, or fried oils. The key word here is replace. If someone simply adds too much olive oil on top of an already heavy diet, the calories can increase quickly, but when olive oil is used instead of less healthy fats, it may support better balance in the blood vessels and help reduce inflammation that can affect circulation. The evening is also a time when many people experience blood pressure changes, especially after a salty dinner, stress, or poor sleep. Olive oil is not a blood pressure medication, but its natural compounds may support blood vessel flexibility over time. Flexible arteries help blood circulate more easily. For seniors, this is important because arteries often become stiffer with age. A simple dinner with vegetables, beans, fish, or whole grains, finished with a small amount of olive oil, may be much better for the body than a heavy meal full of fried foods and processed ingredients. Olive oil may also have a quiet effect on nighttime hunger. Some seniors wake up during the night feeling hungry or weak, especially if dinner was too light or too rich in refined carbohydrates. Healthy fats like olive oil slow digestion slightly and may help create a longer feeling of fullness. This can reduce the desire to snack late at night on sugary foods, cookies, or processed snacks. But the amount matters. Usually 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon is enough for most people. More is not always better. After 60, joint discomfort is another common problem. Many people wake up with stiff knees, painful fingers, or a heavy feeling in the back. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may support joint comfort when used regularly as part of a healthy diet. It will not repair damaged cartilage overnight, but it may help reduce the inflammatory environment in the body. Combined with gentle movement, good hydration, enough protein, and a balanced diet, olive oil can be one small piece of a larger joint support routine. The brain may also benefit from this habit. Healthy fats are important for brain function, and the Mediterranean diet, which uses olive oil as a main fat source, is often associated with better cognitive aging. After 60, memory, concentration, and mental clarity become major concerns. Olive oil's antioxidants may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage. Again, this is not an instant effect. It is the kind of benefit that comes from months and years of better food choices, not from 1 spoon at night. Some people also believe olive oil before bed improves sleep. The truth is more subtle. Olive oil does not work like a sleeping pill. But if it helps digestion, reduces nighttime hunger, and replaces heavy fried foods at dinner, it may indirectly support better sleep. A lighter meal with olive oil, vegetables, and lean protein is usually easier on the stomach than a greasy meal that causes reflux or bloating. Better digestion often means fewer nighttime awakenings. However, olive oil is not suitable for everyone in the same way. People with gallbladder problems, chronic diarrhea, severe reflux, or special medical diets should be careful. Those taking medications for blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, or blood thinners should not make major dietary changes without speaking to a healthcare professional. Olive oil is natural, but natural does not always mean harmless in every situation. The best way to use olive oil in the evening is simple. Choose extra virgin olive oil when possible because it contains more antioxidants than refined oils. Store it away from heat and light. Use it raw over cooked vegetables, soup, salad, beans, or whole grain bread. Avoid overheating it repeatedly or using it with fried foods every night. The goal is not to drink large amounts, but to use a small, consistent quantity as part of a clean evening meal. So what does olive oil do to the body after 60 when taken in the evening? It may support digestion, help with regularity, contribute to heart health, protect blood vessels, calm inflammation, support the brain, improve fullness, and make dinner easier on the stomach. But its real power comes from consistency and balance. One spoon cannot erase a poor diet, lack of movement, or untreated medical problems. But one small habit, repeated every evening with wisdom, can become part of a healthier aging routine. After 60, health is often built through simple choices: a calmer dinner, less fried food, more vegetables, better hydration, gentle movement, good sleep, and perhaps a small spoon of extra virgin olive oil used the right way. Sometimes the body does not need extreme solutions. Sometimes it only needs simple habits repeated with care.